Today in this video we're gonna going through the nucleic acid. So for that first you have to know who discovered this nucleic acid. So nucleic acid was discovered by Friedrich Mischer. Mischer. Okay. So he discovered basically this nucleic acid in what? In the pus cell. He discovered nucleic acid in the pus cell. After that he named this as a nucleine. After looking this nucleic acid in the pus cell, he named as nucleine. Okay, so when they did the study on this nucleine, so they got that this nucleine had the acidic properties. This nucleine have acidic properties. So they named as nucleic acid. After that they named as nucleic acid. They named as nucleic acid. So basically nucleic acid is the polymer of 5 sugar base compound, that is nucleotide. It is the polymer, or you can say macromolecule of 5, you can say 5 sugar based compound, which is pentose sugar based compound. Polymer of 5 sugar base compound, that is nucleotide. Nucleotide. So now you might be thinking what actually this nucleotide is. So basically this nucleotide is the monomer of nucleic acid. We can say monomer of nucleic acid. This is monomer of nucleic acid, and this nucleotide has the 3 basic components. It contains one pentose sugar, which is 5 carbon sugar. Second, it has nitrogenous bases. Heterogeneous bases. Third, it has phosphate group. Phosphate group. So this is the basic structure or components which are required for the nucleotide. We can say nucleotide formation. So here I'm going to draw the structure of nucleotide. Okay, here you can see this is we have 5 carbon sugar, which is pentose sugar. Here we have this is 5 carbon pentose sugar, and this is on the first carbon. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. On the first of the carbon, what is attached? Nitrogenous bases are attached. Nitrogenous bases are attached here. Baki on what? On the, we can say fifth carbon. On the fifth carbon, phosphate group is attached. Phosphate group is attached. Okay. On the fifth carbon, phosphate group is attached, or on the first carbon, nitrogenous bases are attached. So now how many type of nucleic acid we do have? So we do have 2 type of nucleic acid. Right here. 2 types of nucleic acid. Number 1, we have DNA. and second is RNA. So here the DNA is also known as deoxyribose nucleic acid. DNA is also known as deoxyribose nucleic acid. Deoxyribose means the oxygen is absent on the second carbon. Oxygen is absent on the second carbon. बाकी this RNA is known as ribose nucleic acid. Nucleic acid. Now let me draw the structure of these both. Here we have what? Here we have the pentose sugar. Okay, this is what? This is we have pentose sugar. Now on this second, this is first carbon, this is second, this is third, fourth and fifth. On the second carbon, the hydrogen is present, however oxygen is absent. Here, sorry, oxygen is absent. Oxygen is not present, only carbon is present. And here on the first carbon, nitrogenous bases are present. On the fifth carbon, phosphate group is present. And when we talk about RNA, so here we have pentose sugar, first carbon, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So on the second carbon, sorry, on the second carbon, the OH group is present. So whenever you see the OH group present on the second carbon, so that is ribose sugar. And whenever you see the H only, absence of we can say OH, that is D-ribose sugar. So now let me tell you the formula of these both. So the D-ribose sugar formula is C5H10O4 because one oxygen is absent, and ribose formula C5H10O5. Okay, so now here we have what some. In the next video, we're going to discuss about the position of, we can say, nucleotide. I hope till that it is clear to you basic concept of nucleic acid. Bye.